Before I started the MCBS journey, I was a young man whose main focus was to please everyone else. From grade school through my senior year in high school, I was an individual who excelled in school but had no vision of what I wanted to do after I graduated. However, I knew I wanted more in life than to live dormant. I needed to enhance my knowledge, so I embarked on a journey at the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. During my freshman year, I majored in business administration, joined a few clubs, and met many friends. I guess you could say I was having the time of my life. School was very enjoyable my freshman year, and everything seemed to be falling into place at the right time. Sadly, my sophomore year wasn't a mirror image of my freshman year. As I began to mature, I started to see things differently. Yes, school was great, but with my busy schedule, it was hard to make any type of money. In a world filled with fads, it is easy for a young mind to be captivated by clothes, sneakers, nice cars, and women. On top of everything else, the campus life wasn't for me anymore. After long nights of praying, getting zero rest, and skipping class, I made the conscious decision of dropping out of school. For a whole semester, I dealt with living by campus, seeing old friends, and not feeling like I belonged. 5 months after I made my decision, I still had no job and my days became colder. After the semester ended, I returned home to family and friends. Though my parents were very happy to see me, they could tell I wasn't the same old me. During most days, I would work, make music, and hang out with friends. I was happy to be home. For the first time in a long time, my life seemed to be getting back on track. I was curious to see what God had in store for me. I knew I was an intelligent young man who only strived for perfection. It was at that moment I decided I wanted to go back to school. Was going back to the campus life right for me? No. I needed something that could work around my schedule. Through research, I came across the MCBS program at Full Sail University. Through the enrollment process, I knew the school was for me, and I was anxious to get started. In August, I made the gutsy move of moving back to Greensboro in order to keep my focus. I needed to be around other students. Though gutsy, I found a job soon after embarking on my MCBS journey. Though there were many obstacles, I found a way to keep my focus. And ever since I decided to pursue my passion for media communications at Full Sail University, my life has changed forever. And in the words of Biggie Smalls, sky's the limit, baby. Sky's the limit.